Requests submitted by your team or external parties can then be reviewed and converted into a project timeline in the Projects module or linked to a card in a board. To view a request's details, first click on its title in the Request module. The Request Details tray will display, which will show all of the information submitted by the requester, as well as any files that may have been attached. There is also a comments thread that can be used to communicate with other Workzone users and trigger notifications via comment subscriptions or @mentions. Keep in mind, if a request was submitted publicly by a non-user of Workzone, they will not have access to this comments thread and the request details once it has been submitted. Once the request has been reviewed, you can update the status from pending to accepted or not accepted, or simply use the Create Linked Project option, and Workzone will automatically update the request status to accepted. When creating a linked project from a request, you'll be able to use the same project creation methods available in the Projects module. Once a project is created, you'll notice some attachments have been added to the project line. Here, you'll find a link to the request itself, as well as any files that were attached to the request. Clicking on the request icon will jump you over to see the original request, and vice versa, clicking on the request linked project will bring you to the project timeline. Also, any attached request details can be viewed right in the project's details tray under the Request tab.